Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And right now I got a watch unboxing. You know what I mean? And it's on and popping. So we gonna flip the camera and we about to get into this. All right, people, here we go right here. Let's take this out. Oh, but yo, right now I got on Cassie. You know what I mean? And I changed the strap on her. That joint hot. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing right quick. All right, let's take this off. And y'all already know the Invicta yellow, right? So, about to get down with the get down. Ready? Cause I am. Boom! Yo. 2 points. Yo. This is a Grand Lupah Special Edition. Look at that joint right there. Look at that joint right there. Yo, you know what? Let's take all this crap off of him right quick. Good night. Oh shit, look at that down. Yeah. Invicta Grand Lupah. I actually got another Grand Lupah in the iridescent. You know what I'm saying? It's hot. You know. This off. Oh, this game rocks tomorrow. Real, for real. Let's see. Let's get this off of here. I should have brought my knife from downstairs, but I wasn't even thinking, so I could cut this off. But I think I'm not gonna have a problemo. You know what I'm saying? There we go. That in there. Let's see. What is this? Okay, we got some plastic on here. Ooh, there we go. Yeah. You can barely tell, but it's on there. Bang. All right. Other side. Come on, baby. Come on out for me. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. There we go. Got it. All right. All right, let's peel this off the back right here. There we go. Come on. Can't get a grip on that joint. There we go. There we go. All right, cool. All right. Grand Lupah. Look at that dial. Look at that blue dial. That's hot. Look at that dome crystal on there. See that right there? Dome crystal. Let's see. All stainless steel. Japan movement. Invicta Grand Lupah. Let's see. What time is it? Let's set this bad boy. It's 22:40. $22.40. Where's this go? $10.25. There we go. All right, joint set. Yo, that is nice. I like that. You know what I'm saying? That mirror plating on the side of the bracelet with the brush finish. Smoking hot. All right, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna try him on the wrist right quick. So let's turn the camera back around, y'all. Go ahead and try this on the wrist right quick. Take off Cassie. I'm gonna actually do a review on this because this is the bomb shiggity right here. But yo, let's try on the Grand Lupah. take out a couple links on this one. But yo, there it is. The Grand Lupah on the wrist. That's how it looks. Yeah. Hardcore. Huh, should I? Yeah, I could do that. I'll go ahead and take the links out on camera right quick. You know what I mean? So we can get a better feel. Stand by. We're going to go ahead and take these links out right quick. Let's start right here. Get it. Let's see. I take. Let me see. Get in there. All right. Let's take this one out. Come on. Don't give me no problems. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Take those two out. Alright, let's see. Put it back together. Alright. Yeah. Side. Okay. Come on, get in there. There we go. Alright. Now let's see what type of fit that gives us. Okay. Take two out on the other side. Yep. We can definitely do that. We can definitely do that. So let's do it. All right. Damn, I'm missing the whole damn thing. Shit. All right. Oops. There we go. One. Oh, I'm messing up. You know what? I don't want that side. I don't want that side. I want the other side. I want the other side. Yeah. Do I want? Oh my God. Yeah, I want this side. All right, cool. Cool. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, that was right. My bad. 1 and 2. All right. 1, 2. Those are out. All right. Let's put him back together. Right. We go. Wrong way. There we go. Come on. Get down in there. There we go. And oh, y'all can't even see that, but hey. There it is. Alright, now let's see what's up. Alright, this is great. This feels great. Alright, we're going to turn the camera back around. Let y'all check it out how it look on right there. Here it is, people. Sized and ready to go. Yo, this is getting rocked tomorrow. Absolutely. Invicta, Grand Lupah. You know what I mean? In the building. This your boy, P. Ross. Shout out to the homeboy Miguel from SoCal Watch Reviews. You know what I mean? Go over there, subscribe to his channel. I'm going to leave a link down in the description. You know what I'm saying? He get dishing out great content. Got a podcast going on. You know what I mean? So check him out. All right? It's your boy P. Ross, and I'm out. Peace.